Before we dive in, here's a quick primer on refrigerator lifespans so you'll know what to expect. This is the trade table, where home improvement meets smart design. If your refrigerator is more than a few years old, you might be wondering how long it's actually supposed to last. Whether you're planning a future upgrade or deciding between repair and replacement, here's what you need to know. Most refrigerators last 10 to 15 years, but lifespan can vary based on type, usage, and maintenance. Top freezer models tend to last the longest because they have simpler components. Side-by-side and French door refrigerators often fall on the lower end of the range due to added features and electronics. Built-in and professional-style refrigerators are designed to last longer, often 15 to 20 years, when properly maintained. Brand quality and build materials also play a big role in long-term reliability. There are a few warning signs that your refrigerator may be nearing the end of its life. If your fridge struggles to maintain temperature, runs constantly, or makes unusual noises, that's a red flag. Excessive frost buildup, water leaks, or rising energy bills can also signal declining efficiency. And if repairs are becoming frequent or expensive, it may no longer be worth fixing. You can extend your refrigerator's lifespan with a few simple habits. Clean the condenser coils once or twice a year to improve efficiency. Keep door seals clean and intact to prevent cold air loss. Avoid overloading the fridge and make sure it has proper airflow around the unit. Routine care can add years to your appliance's life. A good rule of thumb is the 50% rule. If a repair costs more than half the price of a new refrigerator, replacement usually makes more sense. Older refrigerators are also less energy efficient, so upgrading can lower long-term utility costs and improve performance. Understanding how long refrigerators last helps you plan smarter and avoid surprise breakdowns. When it's time to upgrade, explore modern, energy-efficient refrigerators at thetradetable.com, your destination for smarter appliance decisions.